Hey guys, welcome back to the Vintage Watch Guy. I have something very special today. I have another unboxing video. Very special piece. I've already opened the top. Pull this out. Sorry, I bumped the camera there. Back over here. Let's see. Oop, I see a small box. What's this? A strap, looks like. Okay. On the side. Little shipping manifest. This looks like it. Right. Need to get rid of the outer box here. About that. Nowadays you can't be too careful. Know that this shipped out more than 4 days ago, so the inner stuff should be fine. The outer box I got less than 4 days ago, so I was a little bit careful about the way I handled it. Open this up. This is it. Let's see. Carefully wrapped. Okay, well, maybe you can slide stuff in. No, oh, a lot of tape on here. Sorry guys, bear with me. Just trying to feel the outlines of the case. You buy it from a private seller, sometimes the wrapping is not totally perfect, but whoa! Look at that. Oh my goodness. Wow. Look at this. Look at this beautiful piece. Look at that. Yeah, so this is a Breitling. It's a chronomatic. Oh, look at that. Original case back sticker. Well, if you didn't know, it says chronomatic right on there. Original sticker with original price. You see how aged that sticker is? That's a true sign of new old stock. The chronomatics, you can tell, it has that, this one has a caliber 11 movement, but all the ones in that descent, it's often called the first automatic chronograph. They have the crown on the left-hand side, so that's very characteristic. And yeah, this piece came from the Joseph Itten collection. When Willie Breitling sold the company at the end of the 70s, he took 3,000 pieces and put them in a vault. And there's an article on a blog to watch about it. Joseph Itten was a collector that bought them, and his estate was sold to a company called Old World Jewelers, who've been gradually selling these pieces over the last many years. And I was lucky enough to acquire this one from a private seller. Wow, look at that. Look at that beautiful, look at those hands. Wow, the printing, the dial is perfect. The case, when you see these, you often see that the case is polished, and it's similar to Grand Seiko. When you polish a piece like this, these 70s style pieces, it really changes the whole feeling of the watch. This one you can see the black polishing at the bevel is still perfect. The matte brushed sides. You see the contrast between the brushing, the black polish. It's called that because it's polished so heavily that almost looks dark. And the matte finish on the sides. Yeah, oh, that case back sticker is incredible. I've never actually handled a chronomatic before. Well, I've held on my hand before. I believe you just a standard wind. Maybe a shake. I don't want to go too crazy here. The piece has never been touched before. Let me take a listen to it here. Seems to be ticking. The chronograph, usually try to give it a fair amount of power if I run the chronograph. I'm told that it's never been touched, it's never been serviced before. So I'm a little scared, but well, let's just see what happens. Oh yeah, it's alive. Look at that. What a beauty. Put that on the wrist. Yeah, look at this. Wow, that's amazing. It's amazing to find a piece like this in new old stock condition. What a beautiful item. I'm so excited about this. I don't normally like buying pieces with dates that are non-quick set. It's kind of inconvenient. It bugs me as in my sort of perfectionist way, but this piece, new old stock Breitling from I think it was around 1970 or sometime in the 70s. Man, couldn't pass this up. That. Look at the brightness of the orange. Come on now. Oh, probably doesn't have enough power. There it goes. I give it a bit more of a wind. Stop. Reset to 0. Excellent. Wow, okay, well, it's beautiful new old stock, Breitling, Joseph Itten collection. Does this bezel rotate? Oh yeah, it does. Rotating bezel, chronograph, chronomatic, Breitling chronomatic 2114.3. $475 back in 1970. Anyway, this has been the Vintage Watch Guy. It's been a pleasure to be able to share this with you, and I will catch you in the next one.